form filling, Captcha, work from home. In case like there are a lot of company initially they approach you and tell you that that much amount of work you have to do, and per month you can earn between 25 to 30,000 rupee, and they take your ID proof, photograph and signature. You started working also, but in between due to any reason, if you tell them that you don't want to continue the work, or even if you complete the work, they will ask the money from you on the name of cancellation of agreement, or otherwise legal action will be taken against you. Court case will be registered to your given address, legal notice will be dispatched, and you have to pay in lakhs, in thousands. And in case you are also getting any sort of a threatening message, email from these type of companies, just WhatsApp us their detail, whatever they are sending you. We are here to you and to save your time and money. Each and everything our lawyer is going to advise you, so that you don't have to worry about getting any legal notice to your home address or any legal action from the company side. You don't have to worry about going to any court or police station or paying any amount to them. Each and everything our lawyer is going to advise you just from your home. Contact us and get our help, save your time and money. In case you are having any other legal matter also, for that also you can contact us. Already we are helping for that. Like this video, share it, subscribe our channel, so that in the future also you need any legal help, you can contact us.